To adjust photo in Canva frame, you want to open up your design as I have mine open. I will go over to the design tab here and select a frame from the template library I want to work with. I just want to work with a preset template. So if you look at these shapes now, you see that this person is on the 3 frames. For you to actually know if something is a frame, you want to click on that shape and click the delete. That way you would see delete frame. Now what I'm going to do is to go into my elements and select the image I want to put into this frame. I have this beautiful couple image I want to frame inside these shapes, and I'll duplicate the image into 2, making the images 3. Now I'll start sliding them into the frame. You see, when I slide them, you selected the frame and entered into the frame. Now I have the images in the 3 frames. I want to click on my first frame and come over to crop here, and I want to slide the image and position it how I want it to look. I think this is where the image stops, which works for me, and I will click on done, and I will come into the second frame and click on crop, and I will slide this down to meet the head. You see, if you look up here, you see the head. You want to measure it for it to meet properly, and I have that set. I'll click on done, and I'll click into the third. You can also double click the frame, it achieves the same result as the crop. And you want to also slide this up. You see the image is meeting the face inside. You can see this faint stuff. That's how you measure where the image is going. I'm measuring it with their face. You see now that it met the face, it matched perfectly. And I'm going to click on done. And if we click out, you see our image is beautifully positioned